Holy crap. Hey guys, welcome to Supercars of London and a random Friday afternoon in sunny London. And randomly, as you would have seen from the daily vlogs, I came across a Pagani Zonda Cinque, I almost forgot the name. And what is currently going on behind me, away from camera, is that. So 4 cars arrived last Monday when me and Tim were at the Castrol event up at Millbrook. An Enzo, an F12, a Pagani Huayra and a Zonda Cinque Roadster. And these cars are currently getting fitted with trackers so that they can be legitimately insured in the UK because they've got Arab plates. And this video is going to show you 3 of them because we ignored the F12 because it's not a hypercar. Startups, idling and driving. This is the next car to come out of the car park. This is the laziest type of car spot you've ever seen down. Look at this. This is Lewis Hamilton's spec on a Huayra. right now. This is turning into an insane day. We can see our third Pagani. First 918, but it's a new arrival. It is, and it's been seen. The first